Welcome back to Michael's Kitchen, and today we have compound butter 2 ways. So Triple M has been asking for this recipe for quite some time, yes?
Yeah.
She does Facebook stories, and on those stories, a few times I have a butter that I put on her steak after we cook it, and she's, oh, you gotta show them the compound butter. So guess what? We're letting you in behind the scenes on compound butter. So this should be a quick video. What we have, we're making 2 butters today, special for you guys. Triple M's is a stick and a half of unsalted butter, culantro achiote, lime juice, rosemary, a little bit of cilantro and garlic. Both will use salt and pepper. And for mine, salted butter, chipotles, of course one of those, some sauce, tequila butter, and cilantro. So we'll get these ingredients ready, combined, incorporated, and you guys will see the next steps. I chopped, I sliced, I diced. We're gonna do Triple M's butter first, right? So stick and a half of unsalted butter for hers. And she was asking, why are you getting unsalted? And I said, because you get the cilantro, and that has salt in it. So stick and a half of softened butter. Don't try to do this with cold butter because it'll take you forever. Ask me how I know. And then to that butter, I'm going to add in some cilantro. Some garlic. I did like three cloves crushed garlic, some rosemary. I didn't do the salted because I know it's gonna give her the culantro achiote packet for the red color. And this is it for you.
Yeah, that's okay.
Oh God, because it's hiding behind here. The most important part is hiding behind the butter. The good thing, we can edit that out. Juice of half a lime. Now, just incorporate all this together. That's why you want to do softened butter. Can you guys see that?
Yep.
See all that? The red from the culantro, the garlic, the lime juice, the rosemary, the cilantro,
and the butter.
And the butter. That's Triple M's. Let me wash my hands real quick. Same rules apply for mine, which is a stick of butter, a stick and a half of butter, of course, and I'll use hers. Why not? Why not let it fly? And then for this one, I'm using the chipotle peppers, which is jalapenos in adobo sauce. I'll do that. So mine's still gonna be red. A whole bunch of cilantro. Garlic. Tequila. And juice of half a lime. And I'm gonna add in some freshly cracked black pepper.
This is your best friend. So you put that on all your meat.
Well, we put SPG on our steaks. You don't complain there.
You don't complain.
And as was before, mix to incorporate. And I didn't say this before. It's gonna have the liquid in the bottom because I put tequila, I put the lime juice. It's gonna have liquid, so you gotta incorporate this until all the ingredients, including the liquid, are with the butter, incorporated in the butter. Again, compound butter. Building flavors, right? So I would say about, I don't know what, 5 minutes, would you say?
Yes.
Look, this is what, oops. This is what it looks like. And again, you gotta incorporate it until all the liquid gets put together in the butter. Now we're on to our next steps. Be right back. So get the child-proof saran wrap. Never works for me. And you're gonna lay this out. So I told you, child-proof saran wrap. No comment. And then get your butter, your compound butter, in the center here. And important, if you make two flavors and your wife does not like spicy, make sure you don't mix up the chipotle ones with the non-chipotle ones. But anyways, get this into a cylinder shape. And that is going into the freezer for now because we need to chill it and get it firm again. In the meantime, I'll get the next one ready with my child-proof. So it wasn't my fault, but you guys didn't see that because we edited it out.
Oh, no, you don't like
And then get your Triple M flavor butter. Butter. In the middle there. I should have done this. And the same as before. Cylinder. Into the freeze.
Perfect.
Our compound butters have chilled and gotten hard again, right, sweetheart?
Yeah.
But with the compound butter, the first thing you gotta do is you gotta do some beautiful steaks, yes? Mm-hmm. Triple M already has her steak picked out, so we're gonna let her pick out her steak and then I'm gonna slice off some butter. So which steak did you want for you?
That one.
The one with the big old spinalis? So you guys can see. Can you see this here? Or let me go to here. I'm doing it bigger just so you guys can see, but look at this.
Yeah, I can see it.
And I'll put one on here and one on here. And then I'll do mine, right?
Mm-hmm. With your butt leg.
And again, you guys can see the chipotle.
Yeah.
Which one?
That's yours. You pick yours. I don't know.
I'll do the big one. And now, with all steaks, we gotta do what, sweetheart?
Let it rest for 10 minutes.
Let it rest for 10 minutes. Normally I'll tent it, but since these came off the grill right now, I'm gonna let it rest right here. And we'll be back in a few minutes, guys. So we're done resting. People always mess up a good steak. They cook it, and they slice into it. Oh, and the juice comes all out, and it's like, oh, it wasn't juicy. Well, let it rest, you be patient. So we got Triple M's, we got our standard steaks so we can taste the difference, and then we got mine.
Mm-hmm.
Slice.
Yes.
Let's see if the cook was good, right?
No, but still maybe.
Like that.
Mm-hmm.
How's that? By the way, I can smell the cilantro.
I know.
I'll flip this one around. This is just a control steak, right? Nothing on it. And I'll slice it so even I can taste it, right?
Yeah, but I'm not tasting the last one.
And look, my excitement, I almost forgot my meter probe. Okay, come and taste. Let everyone know what you think of the steak.
Oh, do I ever yet? I'm in PJs.
You're okay. You're okay. You look great. Taste it. Let's taste the control first. The control. SPG, soy sauce, Worcestershire sauce, marinade. Right?
Mm-hmm.
Anything wrong with that?
Oh, that's good.
It's good, right?
Juicy. Very good.
Now taste yours. Want me to cut it for you?
Mm-hmm.
Now remember, hers had the culantro chote, cilantro, rosemary, lime juice,
White. Sorry, bro. The first thing is the lime,
The lime,
the rosemary, the cilantro. Oh, baby, that's delicious.
different than this.
Oh, claro, and more juicy.
Here we go.
The good thing that you can add whatever seasonings you like to your butter or compound.
Mm-hmm.
He added his tequila.
Tequila, lime, adobo, Chipotle.
Mine got rosemary and cilantro because I love cilantro and it's perfect.
So if you guys make your own compound butter, let us know below. We're willing to try any recipe. But if you like this video,
Like the video.
comment down below if you want to try and make, and subscribe for more. That said,
A buen tiempo.
are you gonna eat? Mm-hmm. She hasn't eaten anything all day waiting for this. Bye guys.
And to my friend Dawn, that always was asking for the compound.
Do that
You
one.
got ideas now. Bye guys.